wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
Boom! What's good, YouTube? Gang, that Mafia gang, we back in this bitch with another lit ass reaction. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man, we there are two artists. Yo, neither of these artists should be a stranger to the channel, but it might be a while since we reacted to them. You know what I'm saying? The last time we reacted to ARMANII, I believe it was a collab with him and Valiant, and I believe that song was Innocent. And bro, let me tell you, there was nothing innocent about that damn video, bro. Definitely go check it out. You feel me? There was nothing innocent about that video, but it was kind of innocent though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, ARMANII do his thing, man. Ever since then, I've been like, yo, we gotta, react to more ARMANII, and we might react to more ARMANII and actually keep track of him because he's a young youth in the industry doing his thing. He's also a social media influencer, but dog doing thing very different. You know what I'm saying? Dog thing just clean, and the quality of everything he's doing is up there. So big up yourself, ARMANII. Big up yourself. Keep doing your thing. Keep rising to the top, G. Yeah, you definitely gonna pop up, bro. I like how you do everything. Like your business side of the music thing is taken care of. You know, you stay clean. The production quality is up there. So keep doing your thing. KRANIUM. Damn, I can't remember the last time we reacted to KRANIUM. It might be a minute since we reacted to KRANIUM, bro. You know what I'm saying? But we're there with two of these artists together. Yeah, ARMANII. You see me out there with KRANIUM, Mr. Full of Gal. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Mr. Mr. Gal Policy himself. You don't know? Yeah, man. So two of them together should be dope. Cause KRANIUM a big Galish tune. So I'm expecting this to be like a Galish or partying type of vibe. You know what I'm saying? Especially ARMANII kind of like to appeal to the ladies as well. You know what I'm saying? So I'm expecting a very upbeat type of track. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to jump right in now. We'll up the vibe much longer. But before we do, go ahead and check the link in the description. The Discord server is live. Join the Discord. You don't know, we'll lead over there. Drop your requests. We can talk. We can chat directly. You can drop your requests. Video ideas, live ideas, prizes and giveaways. It's going to always be done on the Discord first. Live previews, all that good stuff. So hit the Discord link and become part of the family. Be part of the gang, man. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. So, and you don't know, time for code up, guys. It's, you know what I'm saying? Code is life, so do the right thing. And if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, the code I will live by over is watching a video, like a video. And if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. So live by the code. Code is life. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to jump right in the track. This is ARMANII and KRANIUM. Outside. Let's get it. Come on, that clean all the Gucci. Cleaning at the Gucci. Y'all better give me some Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Come on, let's get it.
Any pon the rock, you know I'm pon the. And the dogs, them there, so beside me. Liquor by the key, so me can behave, cause I be a girl there, so eyes me. Yeah, me just pull the tongue pon the front.
Liquor by the keys, what me can behave, cause be a girl there, so eyes G and dog. Yo, woman can hold it though.
She a snap bounce, Barbie a blast pon the highway. Yeah, my pocket full of grains. Now mama tell her how my baby is gone in the lead. 4-way flashing at the scheme. Girl, them a go on and a scream when me driving at the street. She a give me something for my squeeze. Money pull up the title list. Liquor there for a chance.
She a give me something for squeeze. Money pull up at the least, brother. I want you, man.
Yeah, so we there in no jail. Outside there, so for stay. Me a get drunk till me slow. One thing me sure about though. We not go inside. Outside, yeah, so we there.
Is it a one?
We not anyway, say. We not go.
I get drunk enough for sure. One thing we know. We not go inside. Is it a one?
Inside. Outside, yeah, so we there. Party every day. We not go inside. Outside, yeah, so we there. We don't you say, fuck inside. Party every day.
Richer than most artists, so she no mix me. Yeah, she.
Who's easy KRANIUM. Tear dog, you come take with the whole of them and them girl. Easy yourself, bro. Babe, you just jump on the track, so you hold on, man. Come here, your dog style deep on the track again. Come on.
Party every day.
richer than most artists, so she no mix me. Yeah, she have a man, but for me she rather risky. Jumping on the beast, at the crease she want give me. The carol won't make the jars fly like frisbee. Hey, carry.
I don't think they know, them thing you don't like, you know, Kratom. Why you have to pre-order man, girl, brother? Enough girl in the party, you couldn't find a single, yeah. A girl, girl says she have a man, but for me, she will risk it. I don't think I can't take them. I like the risk it for the biscuit type of girl, let me know. You see me, Kratom, why you love to trouble people, girl, brother? I don't think they call, why I know my youth. Come in, man.
Richer than them, she rather fuck a man where she a benefit from. One house, one chef, me one maid, me shoes alone is $2,000. Calm down yourself.
Man said me have house, me have 2 house, maid and chef and my shoes, but my fees cost $2,000, mama. Basically, the dog try say, what you bring to the table? What you bring to the table? That's the dog try. I'm here, dog, so pull it back up. Yeah, dog, I say, dog, lad.
Benefit from one house, one chef, me one meat.
Hold on. More your dog start it off, cause more your mama say to dog.
Hey, carry richer than them. She rather fuck a man where she a benefit from. One house, one chef, me one maid, me shoes alone is $2,000. Calm down.
Man say she a fuck a packer man, but him different, where him different from. Jesus Christ. And which man say you have, mama? Oh, go on.
On yourself. Dogs them there with me. So me go, be yourself, be we say, yeah.
Outside, that's how we there. We the enemy say. Fuck inside.
Yeah. Straight. Outside with them and youth, we the NSC. Fuck inside. We inside a go. Come on, man.
Inside. Any pon the rank, you know I'm pon the. And the dogs, them there, so beside me. Lick about the case, so me can behave, cause I be a girl there, so eyes me. Yeah, my dress full of tank on the front sheet.
Easy now, man. Lick about the case, so me can be a girl. Hey, ARMANII, you doing your thing. It's a very well put together song. Your sound, whoever work with it, and the sound quality is up there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, me G. Young youth in the game. You see me well. Eyes out, the blood clean. Everything does, you look well put together. Yeah, and just everything, bro. You know, look like the typical artist. You see me? Yeah, man. You jumping on the gate, well put together and clean. You're marketable. You see me? You can see why the girl them gravitate to the eye. You see me? You got this American look. You know what I'm saying? Your production quality, your music and music video, them who you link with, the moves you're making. Keep it up, me G. Keep it up. Me glad you not try fit in the typical artist box. The chopper box. You know, you try look like so you're chopper and you try. You know? You're a little crawfish. Keep it up, bro. Yeah, man.
You snub, don't spar, be a blast on the highway. Yeah, my pocket full of grains. No, mama tell her my man. Go inside. Yeah. We not go inside. We not go inside.
No, so inside I come on outside with them, man. I'm here, man. I'm about to play vibes. You know what I mean? We like the one there. Like the one there. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. KRANIUM. ARMANII. Outside. We like the one there. Y'all doing y'all thing on the track, bro. You feel me? Loving this one, man. Keep it up, gang. Keep it up, gang. Yeah, man. Y'all doing your thing, keep it up, gang. You don't know. ARMANII, keep doing your thing. KRANIUM, keep doing your thing. You know what I'm saying? I like the production quality of your music, my G, and videos and everything. You see me? So keep it up, keep shooting for the stars. Yeah, young YouTube, got a lot of ways to go. You know, enough growth to come. You know what I'm saying? So don't, you know what I'm saying? Just do your thing, my youth, and keep on your head straight, bro. Yo, trust me. I like the quality and the level of production of everything you're doing for such an early in the game artist. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, yeah, man. Keep it up, bro. I'm definitely got me. Yo, ARMANII, now you're on the scope. Now you're under my radar, now, my G. Cause I know I'm gonna check out every video for you now. I'm gonna meticulously scrutinize everything you do. Yeah, man. I turn the RJ. LOL, no. You're bumbuck, yeah, man. I'm gonna meticulously scrutinize everything you do now, my G. Yeah, man. You're on my radar now, ARMANII. You finally make it. You see, once you're on Jambisco than radar, you make it in a life. And that me I tell you. Check every artist from react. Once I start giving them a little highlight and say, yo, Yeah, man, your career for all of them bigger blood cleat. Then watch me, then check out my video now. If you see what they pan the ground, what go on pan the ground, you know, because they know so the boy in touch. Like a masseuse with a bad bitch. You see me in touch, brother. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, you don't know. I want to keep doing that thing. Cranium, keep doing your thing. Till next time, you don't know your boy Jambisco. I was here with that hit that special banger. Gang, you already know. Let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Drop your favorite part. Go show the artist some love and support. And you know that the Dan Mafia out there strong. You see me? Dan Mafia army strong. You see me? We out here supporting real artists and real music. You know what I'm saying? Remember to join the Discord. Link in the description. Become part of the family. Drop your requests. Suggest music. Plan lives. Prizes and surprises. All that. I'm going to see all the real OG supporters. And I'm going to be able to give back. You already know what time it is. You don't know. It's a boy Jambisco. I was hitting and smashing a banger. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.